Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 2nd, 2018, and we harvested some of the park whopper tomatoes. We're having an issue where the slugs are eating them, so some of them we had to take them off a little early, but I just wanted to show you here. This is one that's cut. I wanted to show you what it looks like. Over here. They're really nice tomatoes. They don't seem to have a really big seed cavity on them. Really nice size. And these have the really nice tomato flavor to them. And now the vines themselves, because of all the constant rain that we've had this year, we've had a really wet year here in Pennsylvania. It did get a blight to it, unfortunately. It was raining at night so much, and the foliage just never got a chance to dry off. So it did get a blight to it, but we did get some tomatoes off of it. And there's a lot more that are coming. So I'm really hoping that they hang in there, and I'm hoping that the slugs stop eating them so that we can get more off of them. The slugs did actually destroy some to the point where they did rot then, and there's nothing that you can do with them. I believe coffee grounds will help keep slugs away. So I think we'll be taking some poppy grounds out, and hopefully we can keep them away. So I'll show you some of the other ones we got off real quick. You see these over here, this one here. Now the slug got into it there. These aren't quite as ripe as what we normally pick them, but with the slugs we just had to take them off. Let's see what they did to them. But overall, I really like the size of the tomato that they give. They seem to give a lot. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.